I'm just cooking some hot wings tonight. I've been playing Xbox all day with my wife. Here's what I've been doing now. Yeah, I've been using my camera. This looks really good though. Got this little hot sauce on them. So good. By the time I get done, it's gonna be really, really good. What you doing, babe?
Playing Halo. Playing Halo.
She playing Halo. But started storming a couple hours ago. Stormed for a little bit. Went away. 11:26. Cooking with some chicken. Starting making more videos now. I have Luma Fusion, which is a video editing software. I can edit my videos on my phone using the app. It's really awesome. I recommend Luma Fusion. Luma Fusion will be right here. Let the name come up. Why are you doing that for? Just, you know, when you put the name up there on the text, like subscribe and like, you can put those different things in the video. Basic editing, keyframing, like putting different things in the video. Like you can put this in the video, and you can put that. You put all kinds of stuff in the video. Just keyframe it, crop it, like you can crop my face and just make my face move. It's funny. You can do just about anything on here. My wife is playing Halo right now. How are you doing on Halo? You doing okay on Halo, babe? See what she does. This camera works really good. I like this camera so much. I went back to my dad's to go get the camera because I'm stuck here. I gotta get me a car sometime to get my truck going so I can get back to Hebrew. Get back to where I live. You got defeated. You got defeated. Things are done. I'll take them out, show them. When they're done, you usually know because they're crispy and the meat's white. Usually by the smell, you can tell that they're done. So we'll go ahead and get off here real quick. We got started 6:40 here. I just pulled them out together. About to turn them over. And cook them on the other side. Chicken wings are really good. Cook them right. Really good. Once you get them all cooked. Really hot. Going here for a little while. Time is 12:14. I've been cooking for about an hour and a half now. So keep cooking. You'll be done as soon as you know it. My wings are finally done now. They look done to me. All brown and crispy, and eat these chicken wings and talk to you guys later. How are the hot wings, babe? Huh, babe? Babe, look. The hot wings good?
Good.
Here's mine right here. I'm about to go and head and eat these. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys later. And don't forget to ring that bell.